A 4.8% reduction is expected in Bitcoin Cash by March 20, according to 30 rates. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. At the moment, Bitcoin Cash is showing a 2.8% decline since yesterday and trades close to $458.10. Now for today's analyst breakdown. Traders Union expects a move toward $463.50 by March 20, meaning an increase of approximately 1.2%. CoinCodex anticipates Bitcoin Cash falling to $455.74, a drop estimated at 0.5%. CoinLore points out it could reach $447.84 on the downside, a projected drop of 2.3%. A separate projection from 30 rates highlights Bitcoin Cash may move lower to $436, an estimated decrease of 4.8%. And lastly, CoinDataFlow puts the target at $434.06 by tomorrow, a 5.3% decline. This is the highest profit potential forecast. We've reviewed 5 outlooks for tomorrow. Time to continue. Now let's break down what the forecasts imply for tomorrow. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a drop of 5.3% and a rise of 1.2%, depending on the analyst. That makes CoinDataFlow the leader with 5.3% improvement in value by tomorrow. That means you could earn between $5 and $53 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinCodex's forecast leads with an 85.9% probability of success. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. The average outlook points to Bitcoin Cash moving to around $447.43. Here's what the details look like. The consensus figure shows the price moving down 2.4% by tomorrow. In parallel, your capital might also move higher by 2.4%. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $24 added. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Bitcoin Cash is about 70.2%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. The forecast from Traders Union points to a push higher for Bitcoin Cash. CoinCodex suggests calm conditions with prices steady. CoinLore anticipates Bitcoin Cash heading south. Also, 30 rates highlights that Bitcoin Cash could slide lower. Meanwhile, CoinDataFlow suggests bearish momentum will dominate. The consensus outlook signals downward momentum, with Bitcoin Cash leaning lower through this horizon. At this stage, 60% of analyst opinions reflect a bearish scenario for Bitcoin Cash. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the verified closing price was $456.90. 3 of 5 forecasts were right about the move. Closest match to the market came from CoinDataFlow. Now we'll lay everything out clearly. 3 forecasts landed within the candle. For ROI performance, multiple analysts managed to stay above zero, and CoinDataFlow led with 1.8%. And now on screen is the full fact-check summary. A quick look at how the forecasts actually performed. CoinPrice forecast registered $22.10 accuracy and minus 3.6% ROI with a forecast probability of 84.9%. Take a moment to notice who stayed most in sync with the market. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. The leader today is Fetch, showing a forecasted 2.8% return. At the moment, Bitcoin Cash is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others will soon be on my site and Telegram. Stay ahead of the crowd, subscribe so you don't miss when the next asset starts climbing. Take care, everyone.